area somewhere and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a video, and hit the like button if you like today's video. Let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a seasonal makeup look. So if you guys want to see the makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, now that I have my eyebrows and my face is all nice and primed, I am going to use my foundation now. This is the Milani Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. This is in the color Classic Ivory. I'm going to use the little sponge that it comes with. Just start applying it like that. So this is going to be like a summery makeup look. I'm going to go into concealer. This is the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo concealer. I'm just going to conceal in the normal concealer places. Oops. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend concealer. Now for setting the concealer, I'm only going to set the concealer. I'm obviously not going to set the foundation because it is powder. So I'm just going to set concealer, like I said. I'm using my Catrice, taking and setting those powder. I'm using the Sonia Kashuk Fluffy Concealer Brush. Normally in the summertime, I skip the bronzer and go directly into blush. This is the Wet n Wild Coloricon in blush in Pinch Me Pink. I'm going to use my Sonia Kashuk blush brush. I like to add some and then use my finger just to kind of blend. For priming the eyeshadow, I'm going to use my Burts eyeshadow primer. It's kind of like a skin tone color. I'm going to use my old-fashioned angled fluffy brush to apply it. In another video, I'm going to work on this eye and then do this eye off camera. For an eyeshadow palette, I normally use this one for a summer makeup look. So this is the Rimmel Magnifying Eyes Nude palette. And the first shade I'm going to use is this one here, just as a overshadow. Yeah, I was thinking of mixing kind of 3 or 4 colors in the palette. So I'm going to mix this one, and this one first. And just put that directly on the lid. Add a little bit in the crease as well. And that's pretty much it for the shadow. I like to take another palette because the brown in that palette is not really that great. So I'm going to use my Maybelline The City Mini palette, and I'm going to use the brown from that palette to create a nice thin line on the upper lash line. So I curled my lashes off camera. Now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. Wait for my mascara to dry. While I'm doing that, I'm going to put on my NYX Butter Gloss in the color Creme Brulee. For the mascara that I'm use next, I'll use the Rimmal Scandel Eyes while I'm doing mascara. To set the makeup, I'm going to use my Milani Make It Last matte finishing spray. I'm going to shake it up a little bit. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys tomorrow for another one. Bye!